So this is my 2018 WRX, and although I love this car, one thing I'm not a huge fan of is the factory trunk spoiler that comes with it. There's nothing wrong with it, but I want something a little more pronounced, so I went to Extreme Online Store, and they have a carbon fiber Rocket Bunny style duckbill. So I'm going to be throwing that on today and showing you guys the process. So this is the carbon fiber duckbill right here in this box, and let's get to opening it up. So now that we got the duckbill unpackaged, all we need to do is pop the trunk, pull some clips, pull a couple bolts, and we're ready to install this thing. So you just need to remove those pop clips with some trim tools, pull the carpet off, and that will expose the bolts. Oh. Uh-oh. We two 8mm bolts that you will need to remove. Whoops. One is there, and the other one is over here. Alright, now that the bolts are out, you should just be able to gently but firmly
grasp it.
I think I may need two hands to do this, so I may or may not be able to video. Alright, now that this is off, all we need to do is clean the surface, patch up those holes, and mount the duckbill, which we have right over there. Okay, so we have all of the adhesive placed on, and now we're going to use two people with the help of Zach here, and go for it, I guess.
You're good on this side. Are you ready?
No, hang on. Alright. Ready when you are. And now just push on it. Apply some pressure. So that little popping noise was the adhesive that was stuck down here. As we tilted it, it popped off. Oh wow, that's actually...
That actually went a lot better than I thought.
That went really well, and it's
I
lined
think
up
it was
perfectly.
off by like just a hair.
Yeah,
but it's like...
It's not noticeable.
Yeah,
it's literally it's off by like a millimeter. So you do want to leave this for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let the adhesive grab on before you go for a drive, and I'll just make sure it's on there nice and well. Is if you look right here, the lip is pretty close, and as you go further down there's a little bit of a gap, which will happen with carbon parts as they're in forms. Not everything is perfect, and each trunk from Subaru is a little bit different, so it's pretty close. Not everything's gonna be perfect with a genuine carbon part, but I think it looks pretty damn good if you ask me.